view. Say hello, honey.
Hi. Hello.
So. Huh. So weird not be able to see up through the ceiling any longer. They've got that all closed off now. Amazing what they did in 3 weeks. But if you have enough people working on it. This is the master bedroom or Jasmine's bedroom.
You're gonna put the bed like this.
However you want. You can actually put it over here if you want to. By the bigger windows. It's your choice.
It's a bit, that's why here is the second socket there. It's two.
It's nice blue sky today. And that is our backyard down there. Holy crow, oh my gosh. You know, it's looking bigger now with the fences.
Oh, the fence already?
Well, because of that one over there and that one over there. Of course, that will be just then that fence will be extended over. So that is huge.
Yeah, it's big. The swimming pool there.
Yep. Gosh, a swimming pool. Huh. Okay. Of course, this is the bathroom. That's going to be a dual sink, 2 sinks, 2 light fixtures. There's the cabinets. There's the bathtub as
Yeah, but the
normal.
house is smaller than this one, but the bucket is small. Ours is bigger. How? Why are buckets?
Because we have us 2 floors.
Ah, okay.
Remember this? The single story.
Yeah, there's a single story. If I own.
Well, can't very well see in here, but
Yay! I cannot vlog it because it's dark. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at that! This is my closet!
and yes, this is. You notice how she's saying it's her closet? It's like, where's mine?
Yours is not in the bedroom. Let's go check. This is all mine.
So they've got some basic things up, but we might, of course, change that to more adequately
Why would
fit
you
for
gonna
her.
still put something here?
Don't know. I'm surprised they put up the shelves. I thought they might leave this kind of blank, but.
No, they put because I saw the Peloton's white.
Oh, okay. So only time will tell. I know the model home had that, but I assumed that was because it was the model home. I didn't know they'd come with it. All right. Oh, I can feel the breeze coming through. This is kind of actually exciting. And then down a little hallway, a little extra storage space here. I do not know if they're going to put a cabinet here. It was listed as optional, and I don't recall if it's part of our theme because it's listed as optional on the floor
This one
plans.
is the office.
So,
Then the model they have it like that.
well, they have a table there at the desk. It's not an office. The office was a bedroom, like what I will do. Then, of course, this door with, wow, it's actually a door now. This is the washing room. Hopefully they put extra ventilation there. So, this is what. And that's how you get up into the rafters. If you have to do any maintenance, that's how you're going to get up in there. You have to go above that for any reason. And that needs to be, hopefully will be fixed. Have to keep an eye on that one next time we come out. Make sure it gets properly done. Huh. Okay, that's kind of cool. Come back out of the dark. Back in daylight. This is just a...
Oh, so this is double vanity also.
Oh, this is double.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
The toilet.
No, it's only single vanity.
Oh.
There's no.
Yeah, because I don't remember seeing any double. I thought it was only the master.
No, the master is
Okay.
single vanity.
So, this must be a place to build a... Yeah, it's storage. Kind of storage for the bathroom. There's the fan. There's the little windows. The bathtub. Oh, ladies first.
Oh, there, you can put your things there. Or
And coming into
here,
this.
is this not enough for your clothes?
Oh my gosh. No, it's not. I can at least have a fourth of that walk-in.
There's more here.
I have a fourth of that walk. That's my office. That one's gonna be my office. Okay. And the other one is basically the same. That one's a little bit bigger because of where the closet is. This one is basically the same size we have in the apartment. Roughly 11 foot by 11 foot. And there are neighbors across the street.
This is the same in the railway one?
Yeah. It's about 11 foot by 11 foot.
Really?
Yeah.
It's very small.
Well, according to the measurements. According to the measurements. It's just that more than likely probably because this is kind of sticking out. You have this little thing in the doorway there might make it look smaller. But there to there was 11 feet. Okay, they've got the little thing up there. So of course, if anybody wants to come and visit, we definitely have the extra bedrooms for it. Not a problem. Okay, not bad. Definitely not like our house on US Grant Place back in Portland. That was humongous. But we also had 6 of us. Okay, so let's go take a look at the backyard, shall we? There's not much to see out there, but just to kind of get a feel for now the size of it, since you've got some fence, actually. Oh, honey,
Yes.
before you come down, too late. Okay, I'll go back up. I'll have to close that window I opened up in the bedroom.
It's fine.
No, you don't want, okay, you don't want the weather debris coming to the house.
No, but I can see that it looks smaller.
Well, of course.
Yeah.
And it's hot outside. It's hot. But this kind of goes to show actual size of the backyard. This is that's the side. Oh yes.
Because look, their house, that's why it's small, because their house is
Yeah.
out.
Well, it's because the 1 story.
So we get
So,
one.
well, we get a bigger backyard, yeah. Yes, we do. And they have the air conditioner ready to go. You see the air conditioner over there?
Yeah.
So, and our solar cells are up.
Oh, it's really up.
Yep. And there is a bird on our house. There's a bird up there.